Hey y'all, welcome to Jamie Does It. I'm Jamie. I just wanted to share my deal I did today. So, I've been seeing that the Caesar dog food has a $5 coupon attaching to it that's glitching. So, I said, well, you know what? I gotta go out and find this dog food. So, I decided to get some laundry detergent because I have almost no laundry detergent left in my stockpile. So I was like, well, I'm gonna get some laundry detergent with my overage. So anyway, the Tide 37 fluid ounces is $5.50. There's a dollar digital attaching to it, making it $4.50. And as we know, the Caesar dog food is $2.15 with a $5 digital attaching to it, making it free, unless you find a store with an old system, which I did today, and it's giving you overage of $2.85. So here's my receipt. As you can see, the Tide was $5.50, dollar digital came off. The Caesar was $2.15 with the $5 digital coming off. My subtotal before tax was $1.65. Total savings is $6. Needless to say, I did this deal 4 times. So I have some laundry detergent. But anyway, I just wanted to share my little deal with you guys. I hope you have a great day, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.